Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. So now guys, all of the idioms are in play here. Old soldier never die, no retreat, no surrender, etc, etc. As guys, I bring you this. Alaafin of Oyo marries his 13th wife, Olori Chioma Adeyemi. So you heard it, Alaafin of Oyo, of course, a man in his early to mid 80s. So exactly what he is going to do with the new wife remains a mystery to everybody and anybody apart from himself. So of course, the lady is going to be somebody at least half his age, if not younger. So now this is just something really. They say Jaye Oba within Yoruba land, which is to say live like a king, and that means in translation that you do as you will because you are the king. Anything that just comes into your head, you do it because you have dominion over the space that you govern. But the excesses of these kings now is now something that if nobody else can curb, they should look within themselves to curb. Because I mean, what is an 80-something-year-old man doing with 13 wives? I think one of them just ran away because she was fed up now with just the general goings on and the lack of really attention. How is an 80-something-year-old man able to give attention to 13 wives? I mean, it's just absolutely, even an 18-year-old man is not able to give attention to 13 women, never mind an 80-something-year-old man. But alas, again, Alaafin of Oyo marries his 13th wife, Olori Chioma Adeyemi. So now let's now see exactly how Kabiyesi is going about this. The Alaafin of Oyo, Oba Lamidi Adeyemi, has married a new wife amidst report of marital crisis rocking his palace in the last few months. The monarch and his 13th wife were spotted at the installation of real estate giant Chief Tomori Williams as the Are Onikoyi of Yoruba land last weekend. Their union came to light after popular Fuji musician Wasiu Ayinde praised the monarch and also mentioned Olori Chioma Adeyemi. City people reported that Oba Lamidi Adeyemi got married to the new queen last year. Though she is yet to embark on the 9-month course, she will be the first young Eastern queen married to Oba Lamidi Adeyemi. So, of course, the penchant that the Yoruba people have for Igbo women carries on because the Yoruba men do especially love Igbo women, especially this sort of like yellow skinned, light skinned. I don't know if this one is from a bottle or this is a natural skin. I don't know if it's one of those creams that they use, but nevertheless, the Yoruba people have this penchant for light skinned, yellow purple Igbo women. And the Oba himself, of course, a man no stranger to bleaching cream. So, of course, they'll be sharing bleaching cream tips, if nothing else. But alarming and shocking, of course, I don't know exactly how old the Oba is. So, let's just check that for a moment. I know he's in his 80s, but exactly how old he is, I don't exactly know. So, I'm just checking that on Google as we speak. So yes, the Alaafin is actually an 82-year-old man, so he's 82, but apparently this is actually factually true because the story is covered everywhere. Let me just bring you a second headline on this narrative. Alaafin of Oyo marries his 13th wife, Olori Chioma Adeyemi. So that's the next one. The Alaafin of Oyo, Oba Lamidi Adeyemi, has once again taken on a new bride, making her the 13th wife of the monarch. The new wife of the royal father is named Olori Chioma Adeyemi, who is believed to be the first Eastern queen in the palace. The monarch and his 13th wife were spotted at the installation of real estate giant Chief Tomori Williams as the Are Onikoyi of Yoruba land last weekend. Popular, so it's pretty much the same recitation, so this might well be a copy over. let's just see if there's anything else that adds any more light to this. Recall that a few months ago, great marital crisis rocked the palace after two of his queens, Queen Ola and Queen Anu, left the palace, and one of them claimed that her life was in danger after her exit from the palace. So there you have it now. It's just the most bizarre of things, the Alaafin of Oyo at 82. I was just trying to see if there's anywhere where the age of the new Olori or even the state of origin is mentioned, but I can't seem to find that anywhere, but I'm sure that will emerge in the fullness of time. Let's see. So here is Oyo News now. So this is directly from Oyo State. From this looks like a government handle actually. Have you seen the paramount king of Yoruba land, Alaafin Oba Adeyemi III's new wife? Her name is Choma, and she is perhaps the first Eastern girl that would join the train of queens in the Oba's palace. The monarch stepped out. Okay, it goes on to repeat exactly the same thing. It's just the most ridiculous thing. Meanwhile, a month ago, a video surfaced online in which the Alaafin is seen dancing with a young lady who doesn't hold back in showing off her skills. So I don't know. I'm just trying to find a bit more detail on this new Olori. This might all be her again. Let's just see. Alaafin Lamidi Olayiwola Adeyemi III was recently seen dancing with a young lady. The 82-year-old monarch dished out some impressive dance moves. The Alaafin recently celebrated his 50th year on the throne. The Alaafin of Oyo, Lamidi Olayiwola Adeyemi III, may be very elderly, but he sure still has dance moves that will sweep almost any lady off her feet. Alaafin of Oyo was seen dancing with the young lady. Just recently, a video surfaced in which the Alaafin is seen dancing with a young lady who doesn't hold back in showing off her dance skills. Interestingly, the 82-year-old was up for the challenge as he brought his A game to the Make Do outdoor dance. So there you have it. There's a clip of the ridiculousness, so I'll just try and grab it and then add it to this. I don't know, man, what this guy is all about, but nevertheless, there you have it. The Alaafin of Oyo marries his 13th wife, an Igbo lady called Chioma. As the details come, I will bring you further narratives of it, who she is exactly, where she's from exactly, and what the background is to this narrative. But come share thoughts about all this with me in the comment section. But before you come into the comment section to engage, click on the red subscribe button so it turns gray. The bell button notifies you every time I drop a new video. Click on like as well, because that helps with the YouTube algorithm. Once you've done all the clickings, the Alaafin of Oyo at 82 has taken on yet another new wife. What is he intending to do with her is the question. So I'll leave you here. Carry this conversation on with you in the comment section. But here I say peace.